Welcome to Extra Income Easily Explained, where I cut through overly complex explanations and provide you with simple ways to increase your wealth and create new income streams. Sound good? Good. Today's topic is Profit Accumulator. So, you've seen the adverts and watched a few YouTube reviews, and you're probably thinking a few extra £100 a month sounds like a decent deal. But what the hell is Profit Accumulator? And if it's that easy, why isn't everyone doing it? If this video is useful and you decide to sign up, it'd be great if you can use the link in my description. Not only will it give you access to a free trial that should see you make around a £45 profit, it also supports the channel and I can continue to help you find out how to build more income streams this year. Profit Accumulator provides the tools required to take part in a process called matched betting. It's a simple enough process to explain. Imagine that you place a bet on horse A winning the race and then match this by also betting that horse A won't win the race. You're essentially betting on all the outcomes without having to place separate bets on horses A, B, C, D and E to win. Let's apply the same thinking to football. Imagine that Liverpool are playing Manchester United. Match betting sees us betting on Liverpool to win and Liverpool not to win. That bet against winning is called a lay bet, and in this scenario includes every event of Liverpool not winning, i.e. if Manchester United win or the game results in a draw. So when you've signed up to Profit Accumulator, you're presented with a dashboard, and essentially it talks you through the entire process around not only which bets to place, but also where to place them, so which exchange or bookmaker to use and how much to wager. Every day you'll be told how to make the best bets for the best return of investment based on sporting events happening that day. Fantastically, you don't need sporting knowledge. Essentially, you just need to follow the suggestion. The reason more people don't do it is because it feels like a life hack. It feels like you're being shown a cheat code for making money and consequently feels a bit wrong. It isn't wrong. It just feels odd that making money should be so easy. It currently costs £25 a month or £180 per year if you pay up front. You're going to make that £25 back in no time at all. In fact, the trial that introduces you just to the basic principles is going to make you around £45 and isn't going to take you a long time to complete at all. So you can see the potential for this to be mammoth. The thing I like most about Profit Accumulator is that you get out what you put in. If you've only got 10 minutes on a Sunday, no problem. Place the bet suggested and reap the rewards. Want to turn it into a 60-minute a day cash machine? You can do that too. And the benefits are obviously going to be greater. So Profit Accumulator is not a passive income source. It isn't like holding onto crypto and crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. There's a small amount of work required to maintain and grow your profit. But it's so easy. It's about as challenging as updating your Facebook status or sending a tweet. Profit Accumulator really does streamline the process. If it's a quieter time and you're spending a couple of hours a day or an hour here and there, you could probably expect to be making £300 to £500 profit a month. The great thing is, it is tax exempt. You do not pay tax on the income that you receive, which is pretty nice. Give it a go, at least for the free trial. Make that £45 profit, decide whether or not you like it, and I'll see you next time with another tip to build your income and increase those revenue streams.